YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be all of my Coach pillow handbags. Oh, I have a frog in my throat. So I gathered up all of my Coach pillow handbags, and I have 10 of them. And I did a video a while back about bags so soft I would secretly sleep with them, and I believe most of these were featured, but my collection has changed a little bit since then, and you may not have seen that video. So I figured I would go ahead and show you my 10 Coach pillow handbags. So without further ado, let's get going. And I'm going to start off with one of my Pillow Madisons. I have to say that I think this is my favorite of the Pillow Madisons that I have. I absolutely love this light coral color. I think it is stunning. The leather is so soft, and I have modified the strap so that this bit hangs and is also a nice top handle, and then this is more of a long shoulder strap. I got this idea from Amy Elizabeth. She has a YouTube channel as well, and basically just used this little hooking system. I don't know what these are called, but I used that to do the modification, and I love it. I've done it with all of my Pillow Madison handbags. So this is the first of my 10 Coach pillow handbags. Since I started with the Pillow Madisons, I think I'll just go ahead and show all of them to you. This is my fantastic, I was gonna say fabulous, but it turned into fantastic, Pillow Madison in the army green color. I got this one from 24s.com. Recently, I saw this bag on, I think it's Monier, and then it starts with FR. I can't remember the end of the department store name in Paris, but I think it's Monier Frères, and I'm sure I'm totally butchering that, but oh well. But this was 40% off on that website. I posted it on my community page, so hopefully some of you snapped it up at that deal. I don't think I got as good of a deal. I think I may have gotten 15% off plus some cash back from TopCashBack when I bought this from 24s. But it is a stunner. I love this green color. It's called Army Green. And look, my outfit today is just perfect with this bag, as well as my David Yurman ring with the peridot and the green tourmaline. So this is bag number 2 of my Coach Squishy Gushy pillow bags. Bag number 3 does not disappoint. She is the Chambray Coach Pillow Madison. This bag is also fabulous. She's large and in charge. Actually, she's not that large, but she is so pretty, and she matches my boys' school colors pretty darn well. They have like a light blue and a red, and this color looks so good when I am going to games and I'm dressing up in the gear to support their school team. Now, I don't always use this bag because she is a bit delicate, so a lot of times I'm going to use my Lululemon belt bag, but recently, my oldest made the basketball team, which I'm super pumped about, so I think that this would be safe to take to a basketball game. She's going to get to go out a little bit this winter. So now we are going to go ahead and move into Coach Pillow Tabby territory with the beautiful ivory Coach Pillow Tabby in the 26 size. These bags are all leather, and everything on the inside is leather, except for this little center pocket on the inside is fabric. It's pretty impressive to be able to get an all leather bag like this for $550 regular price, and 99% of the time you can get it on sale. And if I can find any sales, I always post them on my community page. The black and the ivory don't go on sale quite as much, but I did recently post them, if I do remember correctly. I think I did. Anyway, this bag goes with so much. I think it's so elegant. I love to put a big chunky gold chain on it and either have that dangle or use it as a shoulder bag with the long crossbody strap. For ease of the video though, I'm just showing all of these with a short strap because it's so much easier to hold it than to try to extend my arm way up past the top of the video so that the bag ends up right here. So this bag style is the one that I have the most of within my Pillow Tabby, within my Coach pillow collection. So let's move on to number 2 of the Pillow Tabbies. Number 2, you may recall seeing multiple videos that I had to do to get this gorgeous black Pillow Tabby. I have a hard time getting these bags up to my level of satisfaction because oftentimes this top flap ends up with lots of ripples and dents, and you can see this one has some, but that is just the nature of these bags. I was getting others that had major issues. Some of this can be even just smoothed out with a little bit of massage, but I ordered 3 of these to get this one, which was the very best, and I am happy with her. I think she's fabulous. I've still never carried this bag. Can you believe it? She has, I was going to say, some of the original stuffing. The only thing for sure is that I think I just kind of crammed everything back in there when I was getting her ready for my shelf, which really just involves putting the shrink tube on the hang tag. I put little bits of shrink tube on the hang tag so that I don't lose those beautiful pillow tags. If you don't know how to do shrink tube, I will link my video on how to do it down in the description box, and within that video is the link of where you can buy what I bought. But I shrink tube all of my Coach hang tags because I don't want to lose them. I love them, especially the pillowy ones. So that is number 2 of my 4 Coach Pillow Tabby 26. The last 2 I added at the same time, and I ordered them both at the same time, and they both came perfect, even though I only ordered 1 of each one. And that is this one in the deep pine color. This color, it is the perfect green in my opinion. There was a green that came out a few years ago that was just called green, and that bag was too green for me. I actually had it, but it was just a little too bright for me. This is a really rich color of green. I love it. And I would say if you want a comparison, this is about halfway or maybe a little closer to the brighter green from a year or 2 ago. And I love it. I think I already said I love it, but I still love it. And look how pretty it looks with my green ring. You cannot beat that. The next Pillow Tabby I have to show you is this beautiful deep berry Pillow Tabby in the 26 size, just like all the rest. This one came from 24S with the green one. And so they had a deal where I got a certain dollar amount off of a $1,000 purchase. And so at the time, I think that the 2 of these totaled up to be just over $1,000, or maybe it was exactly $1,000. I can't remember if they had went up to $550 yet, but I got, I believe, $300 off. So I got about $150 off each of these bags. Plus, back then, I didn't have to pay tax on 24S, and I got 8% cash back on TopCashBack. So they worked out to be quite a steal, if I do say so myself, especially for these gorgeous jewel tone shades. I love, 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 love them. So, and like I said, look at how great the flap looks. I got so lucky. All right, we have 3 to go. My Field Tote 22 in the badge print, and I don't know what they call this, but it's definitely puffy and squishy. I just think of it as the quilted Field Tote, and it is in the ivory multi. This color here is Canyon for the pillow tag, and then this is almost like a natural Vachetta sort of color. I found that the Vachetta trim here was pretty close to my denim Field Tote before I sold that one. It's just a little hair darker, but the straps did work interchangeably because they were really close. And this bag is just a very soft, nice bag. It does have feet. Some people say that feet are a basic right that all handbags should have. It comes with this rust-colored strap, as you can see, but I have so many ivory straps that I tend to go with a lighter color palette for this bag than the rust strap. Actually, my favorite strap, let me go grab it. I have to, you know, it's just not an option not to show you some strap action while I'm doing a video. I'm back. So my favorite strap with this bag is this strap, and it's the chain design woven into the nylon with the ivory trim. And this was a strap Coach sold a year or two ago, and it was, I believe, $95. I had a wonderful lady from Hawaii who was in one of my Facebook groups help me get this from a store there. They were all sold out here in the United States, and she shipped it to me from Hawaii. So hooray for that. She also sent me some macadamia nuts, which was so sweet because I love macadamia nuts. Anyway, so that is how I wear this beautiful pillow bag. And I know I'm not showing you how I wear all of these, but then this video would be way too long and you wouldn't want to watch it. So the one and only puffy field tote that I have. We have 2 bags to go, and these bags don't come with top handles, so I went ahead and strapped a small chain on both of them. This is my newest bag in my pillow collection. It is the Dove Gray Coach Studio bag. This bag, just like the Pillow Tabby 26, is lined in leather, but instead of having a pocket on the inside that is leather, this one is all leather. And you can see I've got a green tag insert in there in the front. That's to protect the leather from scratches, from anything that might be a little bit scratchy that I would put into this bag, like let's say one of my new Saint Laurent card holders. But I love how this bag has the little clochette with the key that's actually functional for this particular lock here. And of course the Coach hang tag, and it's got all of its pillowy, squishy goodness. I would say that it is not quite as soft as the Pillow Madisons, but it is darn close. And it does come with a crossbody strap as well as a leather chain strap, which I let go because I don't find those comfortable. I do want to tell you that this is the old style C chain. There is a new style C chain on the website, and I believe that this one is a few inches shorter than the one on the website. This is at least a 20-inch long chain because I can get it over my shoulder just barely. The one on the website I think is like 18 point something in length, and I just ordered it. So I'm really excited about that. I want to be able to show you the difference between the two. I think I'm going to keep that chain as well because I think it'll end up being a better dangle length for this bag. And the benefit of that is when I sit it down in the seat next to me in my car, the bag's not going to end up sitting on the chain. And that's something I find I am constantly adjusting with the lambskin bags in particular, because I'm worried that the chain is going to dent the bag. So I thought for this bag, having a shorter chain would be perfect. So that is on the way. It just shipped today. And this chain will still be amazing with my denim soft tabby bag, as well as many other bags in my collection. The final bag I have to show you this morning is my Coach Studio bag in the chalk color. This bag has gorgeous quilting and all the same features as the Dove Gray bag that I just showed you, except that this bag does not come with a leather chain strap, which makes its starting price about $300 cheaper. So this bag retails, I believe, at $4.95. The Dove Gray retails at $7.95. So that's a $300 difference for that leather chain strap that I found uncomfortable. These, as of this video, are on sale for 25% off on the Coach website, and they may be on sale other places too. When I come across the sales, I do post them on my community page, and I may try to post some down in my description box too, but I do want to get this video out to you, and that takes quite a bit of time to also transpose them there. So I will do my best, but just know, go to my community page to find the deals because that's where it's at. You have to be subscribed to access my community page, but let me tell you, it's well worth it because you will get to see all the deals when I find them, and I'm really quick about posting those deals. I love this beautiful chalk bag, and I have to tell you, the reason why I have this one and not the Pillow Madison in the chalk color anymore is because when I got both of them in my collection, I looked at them and decided that this one was more perfect, and I am quite the perfectionist. My chalk Pillow Madison, no matter which one I got, and I got a couple of them, they all had something little that bugged me about them. So I returned it to Bloomingdale's. They have a very generous return policy, and I'd never worn it before, so there was no issues with that. And then I kept this one, which was also from Bloomingdale's, I think. I don't know. I buy too many bags. It's hard to remember. Anyhow, If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me on Instagram or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.